Okay. Well, let's go. Just have to testing the audio. Let's check. Test. Okay, I think everything is alright like this. No background noises. Okay, but the voice is a bit loud. Could be a bit quieter. Okay, I think I'll keep it this way. Okay, let's go. So today we will start, like always, with the advent of code. This is what we're gonna go do today. Like always in December, you and the historians look a lot more pixelated than you remember. You are inside a computer at the North Pole. Just as you are about to check out your surroundings, a program runs up to you. This region of memory isn't safe. The user misunderstood what a push-down automaton is, and their algorithm is pushing real bytes down on top of us. Run. The algorithm is fast. It's going to cause a byte to fall into your memory space once every nanosecond. Fortunately, I'm really bad and say this word, you are faster, and by quickly scanning the algorithm, you create a list of which bytes will fall. Your puzzle input in the order they'll land in your memory space. Your memory space is a two-dimensional grid with coordinates that range from 0 to 70, both horizontally and vertically. However, for the sake of example, suppose you are on a smaller grid with coordinates that range from 0 to 6, and the following list of incoming byte positions. Alright. That range from 0 to... Each byte position is given as an x and y coordinate, where x is the distance from the left edge of your memory space and y is the distance from the top edge of your memory space. So actually the same way like Godot has y and x. I mean, always start at the top left corner. The top left corner of the memory space at 0, 0, and you need to reach the exit in the bottom right corner at 70, 70 in your memory space. But at 6, 6, in this example, you will need to simulate the falling bytes to plan out where it will be safe to run. For now, simulate just the first few bytes falling into your memory space. As bytes fall into your memory space, they make that coordinate corrupted. Corrupted memory coordinated cannot be entered by you or the historian, so you need to plan your route carefully. You also cannot leave the boundaries of the memory space. Your only hope is to reach the exit. In the above example, if you were to draw the memory space after the first 12 bytes have fallen, using dot for safe and hashtag for corrupted, it would look like this. You can take steps up, down, left or right. After just 12 bytes have corrupted, locations in your memory space, the shortest path from the top left corner to the exit would take 22 steps. Here marked with 0 is one such path. Simulate the first kilobyte, 1024 bytes falling onto your memory space. Afterward, what is the minimum number of steps needed to reach the exit? Huh? Oh. Wrong button. Is this 1 kilobyte? I have no clue. What is 1 kilobyte? I mean, in this case, I do not know. Twelve bytes have fallen. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But why it matters? After 12 bytes. And what are corrupted? List of which bytes will for your puzzle input. In this order, they'll fall. They'll land in your memory space. However, for the sake of example, suppose you are on the smaller grid with coordinate. But why they calculate now for just 12? Each byte position is given as an XY coordinate, alright? You and the historians are currently in the top left corner of the memory space, alright? And we have to get to the 7070. But at 66 in this example, you need to simulate the falling bytes to plan out where it will be safe to run. But why at 66 in this example? Okay. This is okay, I got it. This is the goal to reach in this example. You need to simulate the falling bytes to plan out where. For now, simulate just the first few bytes falling into your memory space. As bytes fall into your memory space, they make that coordinate corrupted, alright? If you were to draw the memory space after the first 12 bytes have fallen. But why 12? Where the 12 comes from? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 1. Huh? It should be here. X, Y. Five, 4. Should be here. 4, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then 2. All right, okay, and then 5, 1. Okay, and then this. Okay, I got it. We start with 0. So how many? All right. Okay, we have to check for the first 1025 four numbers. Okay, so we get this input. We'll just try it. And I think we have to work with A star again. Okay. Wrong. Advance of code delay 18. Variable data equals string equals this one. And I want to make vectors from this one. We do it with, how was it called? I forgot the word for this. What was the word for this one? I find it here. Regex. Okay, and here we just want to check for. Oh, I forgot it. Always forgot how to do it. How to do it as long as possible without. I did it here this way. D plus. Okay, that is the way to go. D plus. Then we want 25 matches. One, two, nine, four, five, six. All right, 25. All right. Advent of code, day 18. We do sorted data. Ready. Right, this is the pattern, and we will print how is it dot? Now we need the data. We need to got the data from somewhere. Search. Let's see what we got here. 5, 4, and so on. Okay. And now we just say spawn points create spawn points. We just say for data and sorted the data. We say data dot spawn points dot append for data index sorted data dot size. We say this one dot get string. What we say vector to Hello, Coda Godnom. Welcome. How are you doing? Non-existing vector 2 constructor. Alright, I can't. Okay, from a vector 2 I can't. From a string I can't create a vector 2. Then I'll make it in a different way. Here I'll just get every first number and every second number then. Coda Godnom, welcome for thanks for following. Thank you very much. And welcome, welcome. Okay, string. From vector 2 I and float and float. There's no other way. But I have this one as a string. Okay, let's just get these numbers. Print. Sorted data 0 dot get string let's see, it's null. Why this is null? Sorted data size 50. Get strings. So it has to be something. A number, alright. So what we gonna do now is that we create a vector from always two numbers. And arrange this one. We say every two numbers. So we say data index is fine. Get strings. Alright, this is also fine, but what we need to do is we have to make an int from this beforehand. Wait, int has the closer here. Int closer here. This should be fine. Do you have a Discord server? Yes, I do. This is the Discord server. So let's see, print. Just let's call this one here, start. Let's see what will happen. Array is empty. This is a 5. Alright, why the array is empty? Let me check this one. Sorted. Data index. Alright. Get. Wait. Ah, okay. 0 to this one, and then every second this way, alright? Non-existing in constructor. This way? So I should have 25 spawn points. To just check it, we'll just print the size afterwards. Alright, so it seems to be working. That means we have all the spawn points now, and we want that something spawns there every second to just simulate the corrupted data from today's task. Spawn corruption, spawn data, spawn corrupted data, and we want to for spawn point in spawn points, we will say we'll take this one, wait, get tree dot create timer 1 second dot timeout. And we just say wall is this one, this is wall. Now we just say this vector to I will be just spawn point. Oh, we didn't call this function, great. So let's see what will happen. Nothing. This should happen, but it does not. Let me print spawn. Right, this way. Okay, it's not working properly. What I'm doing wrong here? Set cell, objects, index, string index. Oh, because this is not a vector. Nee, I'm doing something wrong here. I'm doing something wrong here and I do not know what. It should actually spawn a tree. Set cell. Oh, wait. This is source 1, right? Yeah, that is source 1. That's the problem here. So we are spawning 25 corrupted datas here. Alright, this is what we want. We'll just make this timer a bit lower, and what we want to create is a background. Correct. And we just make it color. Let's take a green or something. This is fine. This one, and we make the size 16 by 7. Oh, that's the minimum size. This, oh wait, with corrupted is already green, so we just go for yellow then, like this one. Oh, and this is the UI, that's why it will be always in front, so we just set it a -10. Wait, the spawning is not working now. Oh, 5 seconds, no. 0.5 seconds. That's how we want to, how it looks like. And then afterwards we want, wait, we don't want that every spawn point will spawn, we just want that just in a set number. For example, corrupted, or like just amount. Export a variable amount as an int. This is fine. Save it. And we just set it to, for example, right now it's 12, and here we do for spawn points in range 0 to amount. we just do spawn points, spawn point. And now we should just got 12. All right. So it looks like this one. Where do I have the advent of code here? It should looks like this pattern. And after that, we should find the shortest way. And this we will do by get all the positions which doesn't has corrupted data. This was my idea now. And then we will connect all of them, and then we found the shortest way from 0, 0 to 7, 7. This is my idea. So what we do is creating an A star. Zero 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 FF is black. I don't think so. Why it is black? Why you got black hair? This is blue. I hope you wanted blue. Because I just wonder why it was black before even you choose 00 FF. It's weird. Alright, so now wrong app. So what we're gonna do now is create a star point. Alright, we do a star dot add point for position in there's 100% something what is called, how's it called, rectangle. For position in No, it's not called rect. How is it called? Polygon? Is it not the rectangle? I haven't know that. I'm close. It's somewhere here. Somewhere here it will state it what it is. Shape? No. Oh, I forgot how it's called. Okay, now the color seems to work. Can I get for point in vector 2? No, that doesn't make sense because vector 2 is just 1 point. I forgot how it's called. I have to Google that. It's a rect 2? Yeah, it's a rect 2. And then we have to create it in this way. Position size. 0, 0. Size is 6 by 6. Okay, I'll do it in a different way. So what we do is for x in 0 to 6 or wait, yes. we just say if not spawn points dot has then we say a star dot add point and then this one. ID variable a star ID account. All right. Now we have the A star points, and now we need to connect them. Well, what's the best way to connect them? Because we already have points. What's the best way to connect them? I think actually the same way like this one. This one. Sorted map input. We just have to say, we know it's 6 by 6. So we say +6, right? Invalid numeric notation. Or we'll say export map width. All right. Let me think if this makes sense. Current point position is get point position from the current ID. It could be like 0, 0. Then we will check if there's a neighbor on the left. Here we check if there's a neighbor on the right. Top, bottom, below, underneath. All right, and now we get the neighbors. And let's check first if this one works. Print a star dot to get point count. We should got 7 plus 7 multiplies with 7, so we have 90. Should got 37. We got 18. Why we got 18? Why we got 18? It's 18. We spawned 12 corrupted datas. But we have 25 in this array. Okay, this is also wrong. Because we spawned just the first 12. So we have to make it in a bit different way. Rather than this one has this here, we have to do this one just until position. If not, get array Okay, fine. Check array. Bool, and then we say data in range. Zero to amount, and then we say if spawn points dot data equals current position, return true, otherwise could not find type vector 2. If it's true, then do this, and we say this one. All right. So what we gonna do now is, so we should have more now. 27. One until 0 until 26. 27. But we have what is the map size here in this example? 6 by 6. Actually 7 by 7, right? We have position 0 until 6. That makes 7 by 7 multiplies by 7. Five, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 by 7. All right, somewhere I have a this should be called 7 times. Nope, it's 6 times. And now it makes sense with 37. All right. So we have this A star points. And actually we just need to connect them if the other one is existing. Doesn't matter with X, Y. We just have to check if it's existing. So for left, we just need to check if... Can we check if an A star to the... Can we just check if a point is existing? Has point. Yes. If a star dot has point, current point ID -1. Same for here. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and we want to get this one, then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So +7, right? And then we just say for neighbor in get neighbors this one, we say connect points, and then we say neighbor, and we just checked before if a star dot is point are points connected, then we do this one. Error. Can't get, it's not necessary, we don't need the current position. Point with ID 3, it doesn't exist. Huh? So let's check the first one. First one has the neighbor 0 and 2. So it should be 1 then. Point with ID 3 doesn't exist. Okay. At which point? Oh. Okay. Can't connect points. Point with ID 2 doesn't exist. Okay. 1 0. Okay, the connection seems to be not properly here. Minus map width, this one, plus map width, alright. Oh, here's the problem. Well, this happening when you do copy paste. And actually, when I did everything right, what I didn't think I do, I can't say when I print here, get ID pass from ID. All right. Okay, I have to do it a bit different here. Rather than filter them out before and here, this one, we just find out that they are not here inside the neighbors. So this one will not check at this point when we create the A stars. We will just do it if we'll not check, we'll just check. This one will be the neighbor. What's the best way to do so? How I got the position. This one. But we want that if this happens, if it's inside, and if it's inside, we want to return false. Otherwise, it's true. Now they shouldn't be connected when there's a disrupt. So print a star dot get ID pass from ID 0 to 49. Oh no, 48 then. Six, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 steps. Seven, 14. How you got from 14 to 13? How you got from 14 to 13? This doesn't make sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 6, 12. No, 13. Here's 13. And here's 14. Well, there's something weird here with the 14 and 13. How you can jump from here to here? Can I print the position for this one? Or position in 162625. This seems to be alright. So there's a mistake in my creation then. It's testing this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Zero to 6. Seems to be alright. We add the point here. And then we connect. Oh, yeah, of course. I know where the mistake is. Just be right back. Right, the problem is that I connect them. Because I got the neighbors in the wrong way. I have to check. If they are in the same row. On the same. If they are real neighbors. So right now I just check if it has this point already. If it has, then yeah, for sure, they're connected. Even if it's 14 and 13. If current point position a star dot get point position and what we need to check here actually this one, if current point dot x equals there's actually a way, I think it, I mean, I'm sure 100% there's a way to make it a way cleaner. Hello. All right. Type int. All right. And what we want to print now is print dot size. All right, 23. This seems to be a bit too big. I see how it is. Just don't stream for a day so you can keep me from getting points. I know that's why you did it. Oh, I think he found out. I think I have to go offline now. Hello, Rubik's. Welcome. 22 steps, is it here? He got me. But I got 23 steps. Oh, but I shouldn't count the first one because we are at this position already. How are you doing? Thank you for your subscription. Thank you very much. 8 months. Well. And I'll create the character soon. Maybe I'm already done with today's task. But I don't believe it. We'll copy this one. We'll paste it here. I hope so. Soon. And the size of this map was what? 70 by 70. So map width is 70. Amount 1024. Well, project settings, window, one, this one, color rect is 70 multiplied by 16 and 120. A wonderful blue color, and we just, this is the corrupted data here. Well, I forgot something. Rather than a 7, we have to say 70. 70. 70. And get ID pass from 0, 0 to 7. What is it? 480 then, right? No, 4800 then. Which ID will be 70? Okay, you didn't see that I just use a calculator for this one. But actually it has to be... Is it 164? Your answer is too low. Oh, wrong. Sorry, I just deleted you from the screen. Sorry, wrong game. I'm really sorry. Well, how is this possible? Ah. Is it on purpose that some are not on the map? Or is it a mistake by the data they give to us? Yeah, but of course, this seems to be too small. Actually, it's not possible, not even possible to go to from 0 to 70. It's not connected. What is happening here? What I don't see. $70 is here, minus 70 is here. Minus, 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 minus. Plus, 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 plus. So when I do the test code again, this one, 12, 7. All right. $22. Get point IDs. Copy. Paste. Map width is 70. Amount is so what's the biggest number here? Hello Cubix, welcome. To get the biggest number, I think I'll just gotta start at 0. 4 4,900. Seems to be alright. So the points are actually alright. What's today advent of code? 164 is not true. That's alright. Back. Today's task is this one. That we found the shortest way from this point to this point. And you have to print you have to got the amount of steps you have to do. But I'm really confused now. Because my code is working in a weird way. If it's logical, then we shouldn't got 0, 70, 140, 210 and so on, because it's 0, 70, 140 and so on is... I mean, this here should be ID 0 until 69 from left to right. And then start in the second row from 70 to 100, whatever, 40, 39. And so on. But the problem is, when I just follow the path the other way around, that I say 0 until... Do you have to use a specific algorithm, or can you choose whatever algorithm you want? You can use whatever you want. You have to just be here at the end. And what you are doing is up to you. Except ChatGPT. This blue is so horrible, I changed to green. This is so much friendlier. I'm not that aggressive. What I'm doing wrong? I sent over the position in the wrong order? X, Y. Brute force backtracking algorithm. I think this is maybe a bit too overpowered then. Because you just need to find one solution, and this is the shortest. And you can check for every solution and then just get the shortest one. And it's 64 steps for this one seems to be too short. What is amount? Alright, okay. It's this one. What I'm doing wrong? Here we connect them. And here I add it. ID and then X, Y. Somewhere I'm messing up X and Y, but I do not know where. So you can see here, when we just follow it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, okay, until here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. But the IDs are wrong. That's why there's some calculations wrong. Okay, it seems to be alright. This is X, this is Y. This is actually what it should do. Happy holidays. Hello, Spiffy. Hello, happy holidays back. How are you doing? This one. I'm good, thanks. You? I'm also good, thanks for asking. Start. Let's see what will happen. I know, this one we don't want print anymore. This will leads to an overflow. This one. 0010. 0010. This is wrong. How are you able to walk here? I'm happy to see you still work and put effort in this game. Yes, of course, but this one right now is just Advent of Code. I'm not sure if you know it, but I'm very sure you do. Advent of Code is a daily challenge of coding puzzles. So I just use it to learn much more things about coding. This is actually very interesting, but sometimes very hard to solve. So my code is just doing right. And the thing is, is it a website? Yes, of course, it's a website. It's this one, adventofcode.com. There you have a calendar. I'm not very good in this one, that's why I just got like 16 of 36 possible stars from now, which you are able to got. There are 2 puzzles a day, and as you can see here, I was not very successful the last 6 days, to be honest. You use the A-star algorithm? Yes, I do. But somehow I messed it up, as you can see here. 00102030 and so on. But 001020, he's going the right path, like this one, just in a vertical way, in a mirrored way. So somewhere I was messing up X and Y. Thanks, you're welcome, Spiffy. Ah. Connect points. What I'm doing wrong here? X, Y, plus for bottom, minus for top, plus for right, and minus for left. Somehow I'm messing up the connections. Before I thought I just have it with the has point function. But nope, this seems to be alright. What could I do? And the points are right, but the path is not alright. The last... Okay, actually, I mean... As you can see here, 29.99. The last step is a step to the right. To the bottom. when it's up to this path, then it should be that there's a corner at the end. Um, okay, here I create the array for the connections. Um, I think I know where's the mess. I want to print this one. Sorted data. I want to print this one. $310. $0.27. 2338. It seems to be okay. Okay, seems to be alright. This seems to be also okay. Add point. For neighbor and get neighbors. Okay, we add the point, alright. And then we do the connections. For neighbor and get neighbors. ID count. If not are points connected, then we do the connection and then count 1. So here in get neighbors, we send the current point ID here. And we check if it has the point ID to the left. If this is the case, we will check. We will get the position and check if it's if on this position is like is corrupted data, and if this is the case, then we'll return false, and then this will be not added. If it's not this one, if there's a position possible, then we check if the current point position.x, so from left to right, equals hit point position current dot x. So we check if they are in the same row, because they are on the x-axis. They should be on the same x-axis. If this is the case, we'll append it. Same for here. Check +1 is true, x and x also same. All right. Here the same. I mean, it connect these positions, which are not possible. From here to here, from here to here. But then this one, which are possible also. Zero and 70 shouldn't actually be connected. Zero and 70 shouldn't be connected. So it is connected because on top. Alright, I have to do it 17 times now. 70 times. Oh. The thing is, oh, I have it now, I think. We want to check that we do the for loop if the thing is we have to check that this current position isn't in this array by itself. But right now there's no position, no way. Let me check that. And there would be a way. Did we ever have true? Yes, we have. But Wyatt tells me that there's no possible way now. So 0 should be connected with... Is connected with 70? No, it should be connected with 2, with 1. Why it's connected with 70? And 1 does not have any connection. $140 and 0. Only connection should be 1 here. Okay, now it's interesting. All of that doesn't make sense to me. Um, where do I mess it up? So it's always left is X, right is Y, right? Yes. Why is this one, when I just turn X and Y here, rate? Rate? Hello, Raiders. Hello, Raiders. Hello, Mr. Halsey. Welcome. How are you doing? How was the stream? Doing well, stream was fun, have to run though. Have a great stream. Thank you very much and thanks for the raid. Thank you very, very much. Welcome, welcome everyone. Have a great day, Mr. Halsey. All right. Yeah, I'm on this today's advent of code, which I actually mess up a bit, but I do not know where I mess it up. As you can see here, when I run this code and I want to have the connections of the first position here, 0, with the ID 0, it should have only one connection, and this is with 1. But my problem is it's only connected with 70. And the most weirdest thing is that when I print the whole path to the end of this one, Elkan, thanks for following. Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome. I have no clue what I'm doing wrong. And the weirdest thing of all is when I changing X and Y at this point, the connections are right. But that shouldn't be. And when you think at some point while you're coding, this shouldn't be. Okay, this also doesn't make sense that only 0 is the connection of 1. It should actually has a connection 0 and 2. Should have 3 and 2, 3 and 1. All right, something is weird here. And the most weirdest thing is why 70 is connected with 1. The neighbors I got here. Left, right, top, bottom. This is how I got the neighbors, and after that I iterate over this array and do the connections to the current point to connect them. There should be something what I don't see. So the thing is, it's connecting the 0 with the 70 when the 70 got called. That means it shouldn't. Before, and it should check if at this position, if this position is in this array, and this array stores every possible place where is corrupted data. And if there's corrupted data, then it will return false and it will not add any connections. Spawn points, data spawn points is the corrupted data spawn points. The corrupted data spawn points. Set cell spawn points, spawn point 1. Here I create them. We always have X and Y. This seems to be alright. Let me see what we got here. Data index 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This seems to be alright. So the spawn points are created properly. Print data. Okay, alright, it's fine, I don't need to check it anymore. This is enough. So why it's starting at 580? Zero, and then it's checking for 1000 numbers. Okay, alright, it's checking for 1024 numbers. This is alright. This seems to be alright. If this is true, then it should add the connections. I mean, if it's not in this range. For neighbor and get neighbors, then we send over this one. If not are connected as the ID neighbor, then we will connect them. Okay, we have until 4,899. And now we want to print it here. I want to print it after this if statement. So which are getting connections? This one, start. Zero, 2, 3, 4, 5. But why one not? 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let me guess. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 not. Yes, 50 not. All right. Okay, connection 0. No, X, Y should be true. But 0 should have connections. So now we check from 0, 0 and then 1, 0. Nah, that's not true. I mean, does it make sense? No. Well, I mean, 0 is now connected with 1, but still with 70. So what if we say oh well, point was 84. But 1 is not connected with 2. 3 is connected with 2 and 4. Two is connected with 3. 2 is connected with 3. Okay, I think I'm turning in a circle right now. What I'm doing wrong here? So first I check for X, then for Y. First all of 0, then all of 1, and so on. This is true. So here we should got 0 first. But 1, 2. One is 0, 1. No, that's wrong. This is true. Left should be we should got 1. One zero. Nee, 1 should be. Nee, that's true. Nee, that's wrong. Why 1 is 1 0 now? X, Y. And 1 should be 1 0. One should be 1 0. 2 should not be 2 0. 0 2. 2 should be 2 0. So 0 is 0 0. 1 0. Hello, Koda Godnom. Welcome back. So let's get rid of all the print statements here. This too. So on. Now the connections are true. The only problem now is I don't see that there's a way between 0 and the endpoint. Four 824. When I try to get out of here, I get back into here somewhere. Here. Actually, there's no way, right? Oh, here, here. Here, and here. Okay, there's a way. But it seems like it doesn't see it. There's something wrong with the connections. Not again. Y, X. Seems to be alright. Um, Why it doesn't see a connection? Wait, 4899 doesn't has any connection? Why is that the case? Should. It should have a connection with 4900 is not existing, right? Ah. It's this one. Huh? I want to spawn something there at this point. A robot. Let's spawn a robot at this point. At this one. Add child. First. Point. Position 4899. Here? There? Get right bottom corner ID int return a star dot get — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — — variable endpoint vector 2 equals this one, and here I'll just say endpoint, and here I will just say it's an int for sure. I'll just say if I get point position, no, endpoint equals what is endpoint? Four 899. So where do we have it now? Where's the robot? Oh. Still looking good. I don't think so. Something I'm doing wrong and I do not know what. Alright, robot. Okay. Did you see what I see? I mean, I'm not sure if you can see it clearly in the stream. Maybe when I just stop to make it that small. The robot is here, but supposed to be here. Ah. I think. The fish is at the right position right now. But this is too much. Um, um, that's weird. Twenty, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 70. So this shouldn't exist, right? Yes, alright. But this one should be not for 5040. We should not have more than 4900. Yeah, we have 140 too much because of this one. Oh, that's fine. 5040. Und dann run a smaller grid with coordinates that range from 0 to 6. 0 to 6, alright. $36. 6 multiplies by 6. No, 49. Hä? $49 doesn't exist? Why 49 doesn't exist? $63? So the width is 71. And the problem is that this is too small. Okay, do you know what? Just make the robot walk now this position, this way. Walk way. For position in. Wait. Create timer. Dot timeout. And then say This is not the shortest way. This is not the way. Okay, what is happening here? That's not the point you should reach. A bit faster. I want it a bit faster. This one. So this seems to be like a different way than before. All right. Now just change this number to this one. 265. That's not the right answer. Oh. -1, because it counts 0 also as a step, whatever. But let's see, 264 should be the answer. $17. Just think the countdown will go down. Let's see. Let's see if we are right. Let's see. Yay, we did it. Let's see what part 2 is. The first byte that prevents the exit from being reachable. Wait. The coordinates of the first byte that prevents the exit from being reachable are 6, 1. Huh? So in this example, the coordinates of the first byte that prevents the exit from being reachable are 6, 1. Why is it 6, 1? Why is it not 1, 1, 0, 1? 1, yeah, 0, 1. Of the first byte. Oh. Ah, okay. Alright, I have to check for the rest of the numbers which are left. How many more can fall down until there's no reachable point anymore? And it shouldn't be that hard, right? Check reachability. Void if for let me think about that, but that should be possible. So we'll add one more each time. And after that, we'll check if it's still reachable. If, wait, we have to do now. I have to disconnect all. And then we have to check for this position. Spawn points dot here we have to do wait. Now we have just the position. But how I got the ID from the position? How I got the ID? Okay, actually I could do it with a while loop. Even it will make it very long, I think. And then we will check. So we create a new one. And the A star points we will create here. This one. And then we check if this is the case. Print. Actually, I should check it with the test first. Get point path. Get point path on a null value. Huh? My A star is 0. While not is empty. Um, 0. Okay, there's one. All right. $1,024. Um, it's doing this, then it's first loop, create new, then it's doing this. Actually, it doesn't need to spawn them. Um, okay. Um, huh? Mm, do test data right now. Um, it doesn't exist. Uh, 425? Why it's doing this so long? Current position. Get index 0. It's trying it with this high amount of number. Oh. Huh? Range 0 to current count. Spawn points. Get neighbors. Hello Scythe, welcome. Today's challenge, part 1 I already finished. The challenge was you have this points in an array, and this is like corrupted data, and you have to go from the map 00 to map, for example, 4949, and you have to check if you can reach the end when there's already 12 of the corrupted data falling down, like in this map, for example, and then you have to take the shortest way to the end. This was part 1, and part 2 is now to figure out which Next corrupted data, which will fall down on the map, will make you can't reach from 0, 0 the end anymore. Which one will be the first, which will actually cut your whole way until the end? This is the task right now. This example, it would be 6, 1, so it would be 6, 1, this one. This one will cut your way. Before you still have a possible way to go till the end. Windows ID 0 doesn't exist. Alright, I think the second part I want finished today, so that's it for today. I'm happy that I already finished the first part. That's actually very good. The second part will not be today. There would be a way better way than that what I'm trying here right now. And also for the first part, there's 100% better ways than I did. Thanks to everyone who was watching. Thank you very much. I hopefully see you tomorrow again. If you want to support me and my game, you can do it by wishlisting the game on Steam. This will help me, this will help my game. I hope you have a great day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and take care everyone.